Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to withdraw BNB from Robinhood to Coinbase in 2025. Whether you're looking to move your crypto for better trading options or just to diversify your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and hassle-free. BNB, or Binance Coin, is a popular cryptocurrency, and transferring it between platforms like Robinhood and Coinbase can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Coinbase, and that your BNB is available in your Robinhood wallet. Start by logging into your Robinhood app or website. Once you're in, navigate to your portfolio and select the BNB asset. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. It's usually under the three dots or a similar menu. Next, you'll need to enter the destination wallet address. Head over to your Coinbase account, go to your BNB wallet, and copy the wallet address. This is crucial, so double-check it to avoid any mix-ups. Back on Robinhood, paste that address into the withdrawal form. You'll also need to specify the amount of BNB you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum thresholds. Robinhood might have fees or limits, so keep an eye on that. Before you confirm, verify all the details. In 2025, security is tighter than ever, so Robinhood might prompt you for two-factor authentication or additional verification. Once everything looks good, hit confirm and wait for the transaction to process. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once the transfer is complete, log back into Coinbase and check your wallet to confirm the BNB has arrived. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, reach out to customer support on either platform. And remember, always stay safe with crypto, double-check addresses and use secure connections. There you have it, folks. With these steps, withdrawing BNB from Robinhood to Coinbase in 2025 is a breeze. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.